Star Theater to hear from the Viking Vocalists, and then they're going to give us a backstage tour. So it'll be a few minutes, but here we are at the Star Theater. First, they have coffee here if you want, and tea, beer, and vocalists, and the Star Theater. So I'm going to sit way up there in front. We're being entertained by the cruise director, David.
We told the cast when we do the dance classes upstairs, and line dancing especially, just break it into two groups if the floor is too crowded, not too everybody.
No audio taping and no flash photography. Sit back, relax. The Q&A begins in 2 minutes. Anyway, all right, well, please welcome to the stage your Viking vocalist. We have Dan. Next we have the lovely Jade, Sean, and Carrie Ann. So the Viking vocalists, they've done the one show as I mentioned, Top of the Pops, and upcoming is the ABBA Songbook. So we'll start off with these basic questions, and again we'll go around the room as time permits. Dan, how did you get the job, and what is the audition process like?
So we all audition separately as individuals. So I have an agent who puts me up for auditions and things in London. So you audition the first round, you do singing, you'll sing 2 songs.
But you were selected as the company manager. If you don't mind, tell our guests what that entails basically as company manager.
Yeah, sure. So Bradley does a schedule for us, the assistant cruise director, and she sends it out to us. And basically, I'm the one who delegates the schedule between us.
Did you say Tenerife?
Yes.
So, and she said Cyprus. Is it a resort you're?
Yeah, so I worked
Okay.
in a hotel and I did a production cast. There were 6 of us. We
Okay.
did like 14 shows, and it was always a 2-week holiday that people came on, so we do a new show every single
Okay.
night.
Joe, we're going to the storage room.
Yeah,
That's backstage.
Not the most glamorous part of the shoot.
Come on in.
is it full in there?
Not quite yet.
Got some
Me
duct tape.
backstage is Sue backstage.
Got some stools.
So yeah, these stools are normally
Drums.
put out, and when we put our costumes out for Top of the Pops, mainly I get changed on this
Piano?
side. So I'll put a stool out.
So now we're going back out of the storage room. Don't know why we didn't open the other door, but whatever. Back so soon? Holy mackerel, there's a bunch more. So this is an LED screen they use.
When we get to the back of this screen, you can see all
And there's a lot of people want to come in here.
I think someone told us that it's estimated at being about $500,000.
So we're going into the dressing room now.
No, not that way. That's just good.
Oh, it's lovely. Just lovely. Hey, one of those.
I know we all have the same one.
Never get tired of those. Hey, this is the same thing in the laundry room.
This is my desk, Carrie Ann's, Sean's, and Dan's.
And that's David?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And then like all other like tights and bras and stuff, we have to bring them ourselves.
And you have your own towels?
Yeah, they make those for us, yeah.
With your name on them?
Uh-huh.
Like underwear?
Yeah.
We'll do a special little.
That's awesome.
So I'm saying to my little group back there about one of the special tricks.
Sean, stand on this one.
It's all right, Jade.
My wife broke her arm on a swivel chair.
Oh, then maybe I will get down.
The Star Theater costume locker.
Do you want to
We used to couple guys here to say
Ah. How's that look?
Oh, that's rather beautiful, I would say. Looks like Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band number, I figure there.
Don't want to get it out of order.
No.
That must be the gentleman down there. No, I'm not sure on that. That's for the Greek dance.
Yeah.
Dan loves cricket.
Run this like Larry. Where's the camera? He's from
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Jade. There. So, These are the 2x2 LED panels. I'm just going to go out the other side. So that's what makes the video show up there, just like at NAB. And time for a lecture. Ah, see? We were just behind there. All right. Okay, let's go. And that was the Viking Vocalists and the Backstage tour. So, Port Monkeys out.
You come back, you do a dance, and then you also do script work, and you have a meeting with the people who run our production company and a Viking representative as well.
I also have a little lovely phone that I carry around with me at all time. And if anything needs to be communicated to the cast, they ring me and they say, oh, can you, by the way, be here at that time, and we change the schedule a little bit, things like that. And then I make sure that all the cast know about this information. So I'm a communicator in